Welcome to Some Frickin' Films. We're here to blow shit up.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
So we're out here. We got a 22. Very scary. It's got a pistol grip, so you know that means it's like highly deadly. I mean that the action's even fake. We got a 308 Savage. Again, it's plastic, so it's really deadly. And then we got a wooden 22 and a 243. Those are safe because they're made out of wood. Those are honestly the only guns that should be legal. So then we got a couple gallons of water and some propane and some 5 more gallons of water. Also, do not try any of this at home. We are trained idiots and we have a dog for protection.
Yeah.
Thank you, sheep herders, for leaving all your straw out here, because we are going to build a fire with it to make our water go bang.
Jesus.
Alright, I was told water's flammable if you shoot it. Hell yeah! Oh, there's shit on fire.
Damn water.
Now take this other water and fix it. Hey, safety first. This should be exciting. See how this works. Nitro, stop it! We're not playing Border Patrol.
I think the fire's out.
I'll go relight it real quick.
Yeah.
Hell yeah! Yeah, so apparently that wasn't water. I think it was gas. Shit. Sprinting out there with some propane and propane accessories. What do you think? What do you think if we put both of them together in one? Welcome to America!
What kind of Gatorade you got there?
It's the new flavor that came out. It's called Pisswasser, and kind of tastes like shit.
Sweet.
So our last one didn't go off, but we lit a little fire out of the gas that's still there. And now we're gonna play fireman and see how it goes. Look at that deadly assault weapon. That thing is just basically here to kill everybody.
The brown person, not the gun.
Would you look at that? It's Tal Gore!
Oh, weird.
Weird. It's weird seeing a celebrity out here.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a like down below. And if you want to see more of our content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.